What is up, everyone? This is MoTutorials here, and today I'm going to show you how to fix the Epic Games Launcher having a slow download speed when you're basically trying to download some games, right? So let's get right into this. So I'm going to show you two quick, easy ways to fix this error. The first one is to basically go to your search bar and type in network connections until you see this pop up. Once you have this pop up, right click into whatever you're connected into, so either Wi-Fi or Ethernet, and then go to properties. In here, click into Internet Protocol version 4, TCP/IPv4. Click into properties, change your DNS server address from automatic to manual, and change your preferred DNS server to 1.1.1 and alternate to 1.0.0.1. Press OK, press close. So this is step one. On top of this, you can also do this basically as well, and I would recommend to do it. This is type in CMD in your search bar again, right click and run as administrator, and type in ipconfig /flush DNS to basically successfully flush the DNS resolver cache. Restart your computer, try now, you should be good to go and not have basically slow download speeds occur any longer. So yeah, that's basically it. If you guys are a video, please smash it up. If you guys are in the channel, make sure to subscribe, click that notification bell. MoTutorials out. Peace.